Hello, in this video I'm going to show you 3 widgets you should add to your home screen on the Samsung Galaxy M23. So in order to add any widget, we'll need to press and hold our finger onto the home screen, just like that, and then go to the widgets options. And from this list you can pick any widget you want by pressing on this arrow and selecting the one you like. So let's go with the first one that I think is most useful, is calendar. So let's add the option 4x2 and put it somewhere on our screen, just like that. And what you can do with calendar, you can of course see the current day, current month and the day of the month, and you can add the notes or notifications to yourself to remember in a certain days or anything like that. So for example, I already had the shopping list here, and let's actually create the new one, shall we? So yeah, let's create new shopping list for today. For example, I want to buy tomatoes, so let's create shopping list list 2. So that's the name which will be shown in the calendar. You can set it for all day, like I just did, so it will remind me of it all day. It will be visible right there. You can set location, family, so you can pick the people you're gonna shop with for it in this example. You can set notification in form of alarm or something like that before the event happens. So right now it's day before event at 17. You can do the custom thing right here and just select the day and the hour and I'm sorry. Let's just create it again like that, because it doesn't matter right now. So yeah, you could create the notification before, like right now it's 10 minutes before that. You can set it to don't repeat, so what it does, it's basically just one-time notification. You can do it every day, so it will remind you to buy your tomatoes every day. And here you can leave the note. So right now I'm gonna leave because I want to buy 3 tomatoes. So let's just write 3 tomatoes and press save on our list. Now we're gonna wait for a few seconds and we can see the note right here in the current day, 21 of March, shopping 2. And if we press on it, we can see that we need to buy 3 tomatoes. So it's pretty handy to have on your home screen. Let's remove that one for now and add the second widget. And the second widget for me, if we find it, would be the Google in this option 4x1. We place it on our screen, and what it is, it's basically a big button for searching in Google with 3 options. So the first option is just to press it and you'll see the just normal Google search. The third option is searching by your voice. So right now we could speak to actually find something. And the third option is just searching for like picture search, image search. So it's pretty useful because sometimes you just forget where you placed your Google icon app on the screen and you need to search for something. So I just removed that one. Let's add another, and the last one would be the weather. If I find it, it is right here, and I would put this one 2x2 with this nice image on it. So we can place it on our screen and it will direct us to the location select location tab. And from here you need to place the city which you live in. I live in Krakow, so I'm just gonna pick that one. And you will see the current weather, how it is outside. So right now you can see the icon, it's the sun and just a clear sky, and the hour of course, but that you can see it right here as well, so no, it doesn't matter. So yeah, it's pretty useful to have if you're planning to go outside or something and you want to check your weather really fast. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.